You know, I'm telling you, it was just so nice for a few hours yesterday, even if it didn't last all day. Now, Katie Morse joins us from the 7 Eyewitness Newsroom. And Katie, you were saying the same thing, opening the windows, opening the doors, right?
That's what I wanted to do all day.
Yep.
You know, I had them open as long as I could and then shut them as quickly as I could.
Oh my
because,
gosh.
boy, that storm rolled in quick.
We had hail, and I think that the storm came down so fast and so furious, I think it power washed my patio. So it was like, check on one of the things on my list for this
At
spring.
least, right, exactly. At least we got some good out of it.
Yeah. All right, Katie, you have been busy since early this morning. What is the latest with what's going on in the news?
Well, we'll start with some of the latest numbers, and we'll talk about Erie County first. 414 positive cases here in Erie County, and we did learn that 7 people in this county have died of coronavirus. So we're going to continue to update you as we learn more new numbers. Today, the governor's going to speak to us around 1:30 this afternoon, so he's pushing back his press briefing a little bit more. He's usually been doing it around 11:30, but he's got some things going on, I guess, so they're pushing it to 1:30. In New York State, though, we do know there are more than 1,000 deaths across the state, and the numbers here just continue to climb because of the testing.
Right.
We did get a new Siena poll, though, that was released this morning, gave some interesting information. It said that the majority of New Yorkers approve of the way Governor Cuomo is handling this. 87% of New Yorkers approve of the way he's been handling coronavirus, and also 92% of New Yorkers, and you could see this, Linda, say they're concerned about it.
Yeah, and it's funny because they were doing a poll also downstate saying more and more people already know somebody personally now who has had coronavirus, much less up here because it hasn't hit the apex yet.
You know, the other thing we saw in that poll, too, is a quarter of people said someone in their household has been laid off by it.
Yes.
So we know that that's going to be just a huge thing. It's going to impact so many families.
And do I understand that the Reverend Darius Pridgeon has been tested positive for coronavirus?
Yes, he did. And he said on his Facebook page the other day, he came out, wanted to let everybody know that he did test positive because he said he wanted to share his experience and let people know, you know, what we're up against here. And, you know, he described his symptoms. He was coughing during the interview a little bit on Facebook, or on the Facebook video that he put out. But yeah, he has tested positive. He did say, though, he's planning to run the meeting tomorrow for the Common Council, but he's doing it remotely from his home.
Okay. Now, Katie, have you seen these?
Did I see them? I did, and I bought one for me and Paul this weekend.
These are great, everybody. Now, listen, in the city of great neighbors, we want to let you know we have these incredible T-shirts that have been made up by Retro Buffalo and Channel 7. Now, the T-shirt costs $20, and what it says is the city of great neighbors, Buffalo Strong, with a little buffalo there between the O and the N. The shirts are they're $20. Now, the shirts cost $13 to make. The remaining $7 will go to Feed More Western New York, so that's 100% of the profit will go to them. These come in crew neck, V-neck, and hoodie, and the hoodies cost a little more, but if you're interested in getting one or more, simply go to WKBW.com and order them. So thank you very much. And I would love to see pictures of people wearing them.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Right?
And use the hashtag Buffalo Strong, use the hashtag #SeeItOn7 because we can really easily grab them all then. I ordered the V-neck, I ordered Paul the crew neck, and $7, that goes so far when it goes to Feed More.
They really can just multiply the money and what they can buy for that money. All right, Katie, we have more good news here in the city of good neighbors. It's not surprising to see folks going above and beyond to help out. Here's our Jeff Slauson with a story about pizza. Lots of pizza.
Slinging the dough until this ends, so it's, you know, we'll be here.
Pizza Works, etc. in Williamsville has been trying their best to push out the pizzas during the pandemic.
See, our dining room is completely empty where it's usually 100% packed.
There's been a noticeable decline in business, especially because they serve a lot of schools and businesses.
We've lost a lot of business.
But with all of the lost business has come an opportunity to give pizza to those on the front lines.
Bring pizzas to local hospitals, nursing homes, care centers where, you know, they would not maybe be able to get it any other way.
It started with these 50 pizzas donated to Millard Fillmore Suburban Hospital last Saturday, all through an organization called Slice Out Hunger and their Pizza vs. Pandemic initiative.
The Slice people and Slice Out Hunger, they take those donations and give money to independent pizza owners.
People can donate to Slice Out Hunger's Pizza vs. Pandemic initiative from all over the globe. The money then goes to local pizza shops to bring pizzas to the doctors and nurses fighting COVID-19.
The small businesses are winning. Obviously the people we serve are winning, and people feel good about making a donation, so everybody wins.
With every donation, The local pizza shop is able to keep the lights on, and the local heroes are able to stay fed.
The smallest token that we can give, but it's also a great comfort food. You know, everybody loves pizza.
You can also grab a slice and eat it real quick and then go wash your hands and then head back to work.
For more information on how to donate to Pizza vs. Pandemic, head on over to WKBW.com. Jeff Slauson, 7 Eyewitness News.
Doesn't that look great? So Slice Out Hunger, you can help out this effort with sliceouthunger.org/donate. And simply just go to WKBW.com for really all of these wonderful websites that we are showing you. And Katie, I understand that Lenova fed dozens and dozens of healthcare workers over at ECMC.
Yeah, they did. They brought enough sheet pizzas to feed all those doctors and nurses over there who have all been working so incredibly hard.
It's amazing. See, this is why we are Buffalo Strong.
Right.
And I want to thank everybody who joined me on WBEN Radio over the weekend. We talked to a lot of folks who are, just, I'm not going to say thriving through this, but they're going to overcome this, and they're determined to see the end of this strong. And you just got to give that so much credit.
I know. It's a tough time, but it is a time that we know we can get through, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, Katie, Restaurant Week to Go is going to continue for another week. So we're going to hear from another participant when we come back.
Perfect.
Sound good?
Yeah.
We'll do that right after this.